Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the first of its kind. I've never done anything like this on my channel, but there's always a first, right? So today's video is a camera review. This is the Canon M6 Mark II. So obviously this is not a professional review because I'm not a professional, okay? I'm not in any way. But I just wanted to show how this camera works for me and what the quality looks like. Just basically give you reasons why you should get this camera because I am in love with it. So let's do a quick unbox before we carry on with the review. In the box, there is a cable for charging and a couple of manuals, a strap for the camera and the electronic viewfinder, and then there's also a charger to charge the battery pack, and then the kit lens, the camera itself. This camera is quite small. It is very compact, but not as small as the G7X Mark II or Mark III, but it's quite small, smaller than the regular DSLR camera. And yeah, let's get back to the video. So first of all, let's talk about the price. This camera cost me around 655,000 naira. I think that's around $1,200. I'm not sure. I'm going to do the conversion and put it on the screen. So yeah, it's not a cheap camera, but it's fine. It's okay. Yeah, I'm saying that I'm crying. So the main reason I got this camera, guys, is because of the flip screen. I didn't want to get the regular Canon G7X Mark II and Mark III cameras because they had flip screens. It's okay because they are small, but I wanted something I could use for vlogs and also for normal sit-down videos. But that one wasn't going to be, I didn't think it was going to be good for sit-down videos because of the battery life. The battery life of this is okay, and also the fact that I can change the lens is something that it just sold me immediately. So I like the fact that I can change the lens. It's small, it's compact, and I can also use it for vlogs. I'm currently filming on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm going to obviously be comparing the quality of my 12 Pro Max to the quality of this. Guys, it is unmatched, but we are still going to do it, okay? Just to check it out, all right? Just in case you're looking to upgrade your camera as a vlogger, this is a very good option. It does the job. 2-in-1, sit down and vlogs. So yeah, I watched a video on Think Media on how to get the best use out of this camera. I haven't gotten like very used to it, but for now I'm playing with the settings that I saw on that video. I'm going to be linking that video in my description box in case you want to go and check out that part, because that's not my area at all. What I'm interested in is the quality of the video, the sound, and then the lens. So for this camera, I'm going to be using the Sigma 16mm lens. Everybody and their mom has this, so I'm sure you already know what this is. But if you don't, this is the lens that I'm going to be using. It's basically a zoom lens. See guys, I don't know anything about this. What you should be interested in is me showing you the quality of the video. I'm going to be comparing the regular lens on the camera to my 12 Pro Max, and now be comparing the regular lens on the camera to this lens. So you guys should just stay tuned. I'm also going to be comparing the audio of my 12 Pro Max to the audio of this. So to unlock this camera, you are supposed to push this and unlock the lens. So I'm currently filming on my M6 Mark II over here, and this is what it looks like and this is what it sounds like. And then over here I am filming with my 12 Pro Max, and this is what it looks like and this is what it sounds like. Guys, I'm so excited because the way this thing looks like, what quality is this? There's another feature that I like about the M6 Mark II, the fact that it can track your face. Now you're always on focus no matter, and it's just so fast to focus on your face or focus on any object that is in front of your face. We've done the comparison for the 12 Pro Max and the camera. Let's do the comparison for the M6 kit lens and the Sigma lens. So yeah guys, this is the camera with the Sigma lens. It's looking almost like the same thing, but the background is where you see the difference. It's giving more of that blur background effect, very milky blur background effect, and it looks pretty good. The only thing, the downside of this lens is that it's heavy, so you can't really use it for vlogging. You can if you have the strength to carry this, because this is an actual workout, okay, holding this camera this way. So but the only reason I got this is to use it for sit down videos. Obviously you can use this for sit down videos. It's going to be perfect for sit down videos. So yeah, so now we're going to be comparing the built-in microphone for the M6 Mark II and the Rode Wireless Go 2. Obviously this is going to be crisper, but we want to see how much difference it makes, so that you decide if you should invest in these or just use the camera that way. So this is what the built-in microphone of the M6 Mark II sounds like. So now we're going to switch to the Rode Wireless Go 2. And this is what it sounds like with the external microphone. Tell me what you think in the comment section. For me, I think this is the best. But obviously, you can see that you do not have to invest, or you do not have to get an external microphone. You can manage the inbuilt microphone if you cannot afford it. But if you can, please do get it so that you get that crisp audio. So yeah, just like I mentioned, I'm going to be linking videos that I watched to learn, a few things about the camera and the microphone. So you can go and watch too, to get the professional feel of how to use these things. Also, you can do more research on it, to help you decide if you want to get these things, okay? Because they're not cheap. They are not cheap, okay? Yeah, so that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This was like a very amateur review of the Canon M6 Mark II and the Rode Wireless Go 2. Thank you very much for watching if you've watched up to this point, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.